What if I told you the cure for your stress is not in a pill, but in a simple herb forgotten in your kitchen? Right now, millions of people are trapped in anxiety and exhaustion every single day. Their minds racing, their bodies tense, their sleep destroyed. But in just a few minutes, this natural remedy can calm your mind and body like nothing you've ever experienced. Have you ever wondered why modern life makes you sick while ancient people lived with more balance? Why they slept deeper, worried less, and aged more gracefully? The answer is sitting right in front of you. Stay until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to use this herb the right way and what happens inside your body when you do. Trust me, you won't believe how simple this is. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly calm, not distracted by your phone? Not thinking about tomorrow's problems, just calm. If you can't remember, you're not alone. Chronic stress is the silent killer of our generation. It's more destructive than smoking, more dangerous than obesity, and it's everywhere. Here's what stress does to your body every single day. It floods your system with cortisol, the aging hormone. It destroys your gut bacteria, weakening your immune system. It shrinks your brain, literally making you forget things. It hardens your arteries, setting you up for heart disease. And the worst part? It steals your sleep. When you can't sleep, everything falls apart. Your mood, your energy, your ability to think clearly, your relationships. You become a shadow of who you're meant to be. The medical industry wants you to believe the solution is in a bottle. Antidepressants, sleeping pills, anti-anxiety medications. But here's what they don't tell you. These drugs don't heal. They mask. They create dependency. And they come with side effects that sometimes make you feel worse than when you started. What if there was another way? What if the solution wasn't synthetic but natural? What if it had been here all along? 3,000 years ago, in the golden fields of Europe and Asia, grew a humble flower. Small white petals, a sweet honey-like scent, unremarkable to most people walking by. But the ancients knew its power. They called it the ground apple, because of its gentle fragrance. The Egyptians worshipped it as a gift from their sun god Ra. Roman soldiers carried it into battle to calm their nerves before war. This flower is chamomile. And modern science has finally proven what our ancestors always knew. This simple plant is one of nature's most powerful stress relievers. Here's what happens when chamomile enters your body. It contains a compound called apigenin. This compound travels to your brain and binds to the same receptors that anti-anxiety medications target. But unlike synthetic drugs, it does this gently, naturally, without side effects. Within minutes, your nervous system begins to shift from fight-or-flight mode into rest and digest mode. Your heart rate slows, your breathing deepens, your muscles release tension you didn't even know you were carrying. But here's the beautiful part. Chamomile doesn't just mask your stress. It actually helps your body learn to handle stress better over time. It's like having a gentle teacher for your nervous system, showing it how to find peace again. Big Pharma doesn't want you to know this. There's no profit in a flower you can grow in your backyard, no patents on ancient wisdom. But the truth is this. The most powerful medicine often comes from the simplest sources. Nature has always had the answers. We just forgot how to listen. Now, before you rush to your kitchen, let me show you the right way to unlock chamomile's power. Most people make critical mistakes that waste this herb's potential. Use dried chamomile flowers, not tea bags. Tea bags often contain low-quality dust that's lost most of its potency. Take 1 tablespoon of dried flowers. Pour hot water, not boiling, just hot, over them. Boiling water destroys the delicate compounds you need. Cover the cup and let it steep for exactly 10 minutes. This gives the apigenin time to fully extract into the water. Here's what not to do. Don't add sugar or artificial sweeteners. They spike your blood sugar and counteract the calming effect. Don't drink it with caffeine. Coffee or energy drinks will override chamomile's gentle signals to your nervous system. Don't expect instant miracles on your first try. Like any natural remedy, consistency is key. Now, here's the ritual. 30 minutes before bedtime, prepare your chamomile tea. As it steeps, take 3 deep breaths. Smell the sweet, apple-like aroma filling your kitchen. Sit somewhere comfortable. No phones, no TV. Just you and the tea. Take small sips. Feel the warmth traveling down your throat, into your chest, spreading through your body. Close your eyes. Notice how your shoulders begin to drop, how your jaw unclenches, how your breathing naturally becomes slower, deeper. This is your nervous system remembering what peace feels like. For maximum benefit, do this every night for 2 weeks. Your body will start to anticipate this ritual. Your mind will begin to quiet before you even take the first sip. But here's where it gets really interesting. Chamomile isn't just a stress reliever, it's a full-body healer. When you calm your nervous system, everything else begins to heal too. Your sleep becomes deeper. Instead of waking up groggy and exhausted, you wake up refreshed, your mind clear, your body energized, your digestion improves. Stress destroys your gut health, but chamomile soothes inflammation in your digestive tract. You'll notice less bloating, better nutrient absorption, more stable energy throughout the day. Your skin begins to glow. Stress accelerates aging, creating wrinkles and dullness. But when you reduce cortisol levels, your skin starts repairing itself from the inside out. Your memory sharpens. Chronic stress shrinks the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for forming new memories. Chamomile helps protect this crucial area, keeping your mind sharp as you age. And here's something most people don't know. Chamomile supports your heart health. It helps reduce inflammation in your blood vessels and can even help lower blood pressure naturally. It's not just a drink. It's a ritual of healing, a daily practice that tells your body you're safe, you can rest, you can repair. And the best part? This herb also supports your immune system. When you're less stressed, your body can focus its energy on fighting off illness instead of just surviving each day. If this information is valuable to you, if you're starting to see chamomile in a whole new light, hit the like button right now. Your engagement helps more people discover this ancient secret. In a world full of quick fixes and synthetic solutions, this simple wisdom needs to spread. And share this with someone who's been struggling with stress lately. Your friend who can't sleep, your family member who's always anxious, your colleague who looks exhausted every morning. Sometimes the most loving thing you can do is share knowledge that could change someone's life. Let me tell you something that might change how you see everything. We live in a world that profits from your stress, from your sleepless nights, from your anxiety, from your dependence on synthetic solutions that treat symptoms but never address the root. The pharmaceutical industry has convinced us that healing is complicated, that it requires expensive drugs with unpronounceable names and dangerous side effects. But our ancestors knew better. They understood that the earth provides everything we need, that the most powerful medicine often grows in humble places, that healing doesn't have to be harsh or violent or expensive. Sometimes it's as gentle as a flower. Chamomile has been quietly helping humans for thousands of years. While empires rose and fell, while technology transformed our world beyond recognition, this little flower remained constant, patient, ready to serve. Tonight, when you're lying in bed with your mind racing about tomorrow's deadlines, about bills, about relationships, about all the things you cannot control, remember this. Peace is not a luxury. It's your birthright. Calm is not weakness. It's wisdom. And healing is not found in a pharmacy. It's growing in fields all around you. The world wants you addicted to pills, dependent on systems that don't truly serve you. But nature whispers the real cure if you just listen. Your great-grandmother knew these secrets. Her grandmother before her knew them too. This wisdom flows in your blood, waiting to be remembered. You have the power to break the cycle, to choose ancient wisdom over modern dependency, to trust your body's ability to heal when given the right support. Start tonight. Start with 1 cup of chamomile tea. Start with 1 moment of peace in a chaotic world. Your nervous system is waiting. Your body is ready. Your future self will thank you. If you want to discover more forgotten plants that heal naturally, more ancient secrets that can transform your health without side effects, subscribe right now and join this community. Together, we're remembering what it means to be truly healthy. Naturally healthy. The way nature intended. Your body is not broken. It's not defective. It just needs to remember what peace feels like. And chamomile is ready to teach it. Welcome back to your natural state of calm. Welcome home. See you on the next video. Bye.